How to edit your TikTok profile. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can edit your TikTok profile, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. It depends upon what you're really trying to edit. In this case I'll just go ahead and open up TikTok, and then what you want to do is just tap on the profile icon from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon and come to your profile page, now what do you want to edit? Whether you want to edit your username, your bio, your link, your name or whatever else, you just need to tap on the button that says edit profile, which you see over here. Once you tap on the option called edit profile, you'll find the options such as name, username, bio and so on. If you'd like to add your Instagram and socials and YouTube, you can go ahead and absolutely do that. Once you do that, and you can also change your photo, you can just come back and the changes will be saved automatically. If you want to change the account settings, you can tap on the three lines and then go to settings. You can select all of your account settings, your privacy settings, your security settings, your balance and everything else in it right over here. This is simply how you can edit your TikTok profile. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.